What's happening, guys? Just gonna log in here quickly. How's everybody doing? Oh, there's only 2 guys on at the moment. Let's wait for the guys to hop on. Gonna try and send the stream. Okay, guys, so a bit of a risky one today. Let's see. The reason I'm saying a bit risky is because we've got FOMC tonight. Okay, so we do have FOMC tonight. I've taken a session low that I'm looking at, London lows down here as well. So we can potentially see a bounce for New York session open, but like I mentioned just now, it's risky. It's got a previous day's low that was sitting there. Let's just quickly look at the daily. Okay, so the daily has filled that area. Okay, you can see we've had a reaction of the daily FEG. There was a sell FEG on the daily, bearish FEG. We did have a reaction there. Ultimately, external range liquidity still resting above longs until we hit all-time highs. That is still what I'm looking at. Hasn't changed over the last 2 weeks. 4 hour could drop into one of these areas here before we see the bounce. This would be the previous day's low. However, I would like to see a bounce up first before we run that low. Like I said, let's just do this quickly. 1 second, guys. Sorry, I'm just responding to something here. Right. Okay, cool. So that's sorted. All right, 1 hour. Yeah, like I said, we have run into that fair value gap on the daily, and we have had a sell from there. Hasn't been major. Okay. All right, so let's send this out quickly. All right. So ideally at this point I'd need to see a shift, some sort of a shift, probably on the 3-minute or 1-minute time frame in this area for me to look at a potential long. I would want to see that area being flipped. So I would need to see something like this occur. Well, we've run immediate liquid there. And Joel says, bro, I'm sharing on Telegram. Yeah, I think I've shared it already, but if it hasn't gone through, just send it through, please. Alright, so any questions, guys? You guys understand my reasoning? We've traded below yesterday's session low, so I'm looking for a bounce. I am looking for that bounce, and I would like to see price close above this area ideally. Remember, it is very risky, like I stated earlier, because we've got FOMC later. So yeah, if you are trading it, go in conservatively. Yeah, so that's that. Let's check the NASDAQ quickly. NASDAQ's pulled back quite a bit. That was Asian session low. Taken out London lows. Could potentially see a rally up on NASDAQ. Some imbalance up here as well in this area. And remember, we still have that unfilled gap residing above here. So I do believe we are going to see that filled with FOMC most likely later on. Okay, so looking at that. Okay, any questions there, guys? Any other questions? All right. Let's see what we're looking like. Okay, so yesterday's RTH, I'm just gonna run onto the RTH at the moment quickly. We closed up here, and we have respected for yesterday's session. There was a fair value gap that we were residing within here, right? Which price had obviously tapped into on the 5-minute time frame. You've got your order block resting behind it in that area there. That forms your order block, and we have the refugee in that area. Sets of liquidity resting above these highs. So you've got liquid residing here. You've got liquidity residing here. So these are relative equal highs. These two highs, sorry, I'll just neaten that up. Got some relative equal highs resting up there, and then ultimately we'd need to take out on top here the liquidity that resides there. So that is what I'm looking at, and it is looking good on the ETH at the moment. So on the ETH, yeah, that's what I wanted to see. You can almost go longs on this close with the stop loss down below. Yep, that's very good. Or you can wait for a pullback into this area. So it's left new FEGs here. You can wait for a pullback into those areas and We run that up on a 1:2. Minor shift down here, and we had the flip of the inverse of that inverse FEG. So we had an inverse we had the sell FEG, we flipped it into an inverse FEG. So I'm gonna just add this here for you guys. Oh shit, sorry. Let's just do this. Why is it doing that out there? FEG. Right. Any questions, guys? That is my setup. That is what we are looking at. FOMC is at 9 p.m. tonight, guys. 9 p.m. Swaliha Khan asked. Vinci Hub, hey boss, how's it, man? How are you? Bashir, are we trading US 30? Yes, we are. This is US 30, guys. Okay. Remember, it is FOMC tonight. I'm saying it again. So you might actually see, we could even play around there, or we could spike below. Markets can be unpredictable. Like I always say, this is not financial advice. We are literally showing you guys a trade that we are taking, and what you do with it is on you. Alrighty. What percentage are you risking for this trade? You must risk what you're willing to risk on the trade. It all depends on you. Do you go for long trade? I'm not sure what you're talking about there. What else, guys? What else? It's 53 guys here. Maybe I must put my camera on. Let me just put the camera on quickly. Put it on from here. Alright, guys, now you can see me. Nev, just check your messages. I'll message you there. Jutron Cleophas says, good afternoon. How's it, man? How are you? Umar Valda says, can you break down the trade? I mean, I've broken down the trade already. Check it out. Just go back on the live, scroll back, and you'll see me break down the trade. Okay, non-stop wholesaler, import and export. Do we plot now? What do you mean, do we plot now? I told you guys the aggressive entry was earlier on this push, where I went in on the aggressive entry, but the more confirmed entry would be if you wait for a spike into that area to go in on. That would be the confirmed entry. I'm already in on an aggressive entry at the moment on that candle close, like I said earlier, because we had inverted that sell side FVG. Alright, so you should get a spike soon. There we go. Just watch here. Let's check the 5 minute quickly. 5 minute. Okay, so you can see that that 1 minute inverse FVG is in line with the 5 minute FVG in that same area after the sweep of liquidity. This was the London low that was in question down here. I'm just marking it out for you guys to make it easy. So I still believe we could see a spike into that area again, even though the 1 minute has already pushed above it quite strong. The open might still give us that spike in, hopefully. All right. Hi Vivek, did you know it says, and how important is the Asia high and lows for you? Asia highs and lows, I mean, yeah, it's normally, you get three phases in a day, guys. You get the accumulation, the manipulation, and the distribution. So Asia normally falls part of the accumulative phase of the market, typically in the morning session, Asian session. So yeah, it is quite important, but it's, you know, it forms part of the strategy. It's not exactly everything. I mean, I've got to see that coupled with a lot of other factors. So yeah, there's your spike in, and that is in the 5 minute and 1 minute now. Okay, can you see we have tapped now? Okay. All right, so that would be your confirmed entry, guys. Like I said, high risk. We've got FOMC tonight, so yeah. We've taken out sell side. We've taken out buy side. We've had the 1 minute shift. That is my entry, and we've also taken out London lows down here. First target, I'm targeting 45,000 psychological up here, and then your 1:2 is on 45,040, that area. Let's see, yeah, there we go. Um, 46 with one rain, 46 people alive. Let's like it. Oh, cool. Alright, so we are really pushing nicely. We need to see, got some volume imbalance here. Ideally, we need to see, I need to see price close and hang above the volume imbalance at this point. Let's pop into NASDAQ, check what NASDAQ is doing. Same thing, same sort of setup. We have that area there. 1 minute. We had, where's our line? That was yesterday's or last night's low, Asian low. Okay, all Asian lows taken, London lows taken. Looks okay. This is looking a bit too clean at this point. I would like to see one more spike into that area. It's possible that we would see a spike back into that area for the open. When it's too clean like this, when the price action is this clean, generally they'll spike it one last time. We've got that OB down here as well. So just marking this out for reference. Got an OB down there as well. That fair value gap's filled. We've got some volume imbalance left above here. These were London highs. You see, I don't really like to see a rejection from this area, guys. You want to see a close above this volume imbalance, ideally. That's looking better, but we need to hang above now. We need to hang above and close above that. That's better. That's what we want to see. Okay, then the next area to clear would be this. There we go. Much better, guys, much better. Much better. You should be in profits already. That is 200 pips up already. If we can close above this area and above this FEG here, then I can move my stops to break even. So I need to see a close above that area before I move my stops to break even, guys. Like I said, FOMC tonight, we don't want to be taking on additional risk. So we are going to be trading it quite conservatively. Who's in blues? Are you guys up? You guys should be up. Drop it in the comments if you're in blues. Broke it down properly for you guys. We just need to see some momentum kick in here. Okay, we might come back and retest this volume imbalance. So we'd ideally like to see us drop in there, spike it, and then continue to retest it. Showing us quite a bit of rejection here at the moment. Let's see if we can get a good push up from here. I'm just going to move this across just to make it a bit clear there. So that's what I wanted. I wanted us to retest this area. It's doing it now, and we need to just hold here. Price can hold above there, we should be good. Okay, there we go. Pushing nicely now. Pushing nicely. Solid. So we're about 300 pips up now, guys. 390 was our 1:1. Like I said, we need to, there we go, we need to push above this area here. We hold above there, you know the drill. First target here, second target 1:2, and we will not be asking more than that because it is FOMC later. So we don't want to push it too far. 10 minutes more, guys. 10 minutes more. So let me just catch up on the comments here. We've got a lot of guys saying blues, up and away blues. Will you be going live for FOMC? U squared asked. I'm not too sure. I'll see later whether I'm available or not. I'm gonna head to gym later on, but I will let you know. No shot says Jazak's Brew, thank you. Abdullah Ismail, when's the copy trading starting? I'll keep you guys updated fairly soon, guys. Just stay tuned on the socials because I will release it there. Non-stop wholesale says, will you be live for FMC? No, I'm gonna update you guys later. I'm not sure as yet whether I'm gonna go live later. Do you use the futures chart? Yes, I do use the futures chart and only the futures chart. I do not use any other chart, guys. Rayhan says blues. Bivek says I missed the trade. Michal says choose blues. Nice, guys. Bashir says, can't wait to join you again, bro. Always operating. 100%. 7 minutes more. Or 6 minutes 30 more. Let's see what happens here. Ideally want to see us hold above this area, guys. Above this new fair value gap. We need to respect ideal scenario. Can I just move this across for the time being for a little bit? Okay. Remember guys, this could also be quick at the open, so we could run up and grab this liquid quite quickly up in this area, fill that imbalance up here, the volume imbalance. There's a tiny one resting above here. So it might be quick, you might have to get out very quickly. Like I said, my target is PDC, and then, well, my target is this area, 45,000 at my PDC level, and it is at the 1:2 up here. So you can partial out somewhere here. You should be about, at this point, you should be about 500 pips up, and then if you're holding to here, you will be about 780 pips, 800 pips up. So I would advise taking partials along the way, and obviously bringing your stops up. Alright, so that's tapped into the new 5-minute FEG here in this area. That's this one here. That's the 5-minute in line with that 1 minute. We seem to be doing alright. 5 minutes left. 4 minutes 30. 4 minutes 30, guys. There's also some volume imbalance up here, guys. Okay, so we've got a couple of minutes. Just want to check quickly here. We have Forex Factory, that's 5,000 USD crude oil. Alright, so nothing initially. That's fine. And then I think we have. So on CNBC, what's happening? Okay, that's alright. Looks okay, guys. Looks okay. Let's see. Okay, that is about almost 400 pips up. Two minutes left, guys. 1 minute 30 actually. 1 minute 30. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so that's probably into the 5 minute now. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on. Gotta give us that push. Come on. Come on. There we go, come on. Need to hold above here, guys. We really need to hold above here. Come on, 12 seconds. There we go. Yes, sir. Haha. Well done, guys. Well done. Take partials. Take partials. You know the drill. Excellent, guys. Excellent. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Smashed, guys. Smashed. W's in the chats. W's in the chats. TP1, TP2 smashed. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Haha. Make sure you lock profits, guys. Okay, beautiful flipping trade, guys. Absolutely beautiful. We smashed it all the way. Ibrahim Dada says W's, Rehan W's, all the W's coming in. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Absolutely killed it today. Smashed it. I just want to make a video, guys, for... You already know how we do it, guys. Smashed it live on stream. 800 pips in the bag. TP1, TP2 smashed. We gave it out to all the members here, guys. We've got 64 people live that traded this with us. And we killed it. Absolutely killed it, guys. SSFX in the building. Killed, guys. Killed. So guys are asking for the live to happen every day to change everybody's lives. 100%, man. We'll try. But yeah, guys, we've been on a fantastic win streak for the whole of January. 0 losses this month. Absolutely chuffed about that. But yeah, we push. Come on, guys, drop some likes and reactions there on the video, guys. Drop some reactions there. Gave it out to all the members here, guys. We've got 64 people live that traded them. With us, and we killed it. Absolutely killed it, guys. SSFX in the building. You already know how we do it, guys. Smashed it live on stream. Hussein, you be beautiful, dog. That's how we do it at SSFX. 100%, bro. 100%. We're always smashing it, yeah. Bro, would you consider doing a boot camp? Absolutely. Let me know where you're from, and I'll look into it. I definitely will. Check her run, guys. Yes, sis. Look at her run. Look at her flip and run. Yes, sis. Oh, there we go. To that, I told you guys, up to that TP. Easy. Beauty, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna have to love you and leave you guys until the next live trade. Stay safe, stay blessed, and continue to milk. Peace out, guys.